I will take you to my surgery where you become pregnant. You'll have the child, and through adoption, we'll give it to the couple, and you'll be paid.
You know, something I like how that song goes and drive about the dream with it now.
That legal?
Them something illegal at Jamaica.
Yes, it is legal. I'm a doctor, for Christ's sake. Everything I do is legal.
You can't say what you want to say now because you don't want to go in a jail or get pregnant.
Come on, Delsita.
You will pay $500. You will pay $500,000.
Come on, Delsita. You can pay $500.
So no, the trustee doesn't know, no? Take a 50 this one.
All right. Look, you look like you have no use of $500,000, so I best be on my way.
Look here. $500,000. All you need tell me $500,000. That woman here rough with me now. When did they right that's all right? They say $500,000. Now that you go you say $500,000. You drop me way from. Look here. $500,000. $500,000.
Look here, Delsita, how much do you earn?
When we walk over help a job to get.
I wish you had told me about this whole service thing when we went and bought the doctor.
But honey, every time I try to talk to you about this, you make no sense. Sometimes I don't know how to approach you. So are we okay with this? Can we stop the quarreling and concentrate on the baby?
I'll give it a try.
I'll give it a shot.
So how's your campaign coming?
You know what? Right now, I think my poll numbers are looking far better than my marriage.
You don't have to go there yet. But don't worry about the election, alright? I know you will get. You know behind every successful man? Don't. There's a strong woman. Am I not a strong woman, huh?
Yes.
You know, my father will be doing an operation in his eye in Cuba.
What does that have to do with me?
He may have to stay here for a while.
Why, your Jamaica don't fly straight to Cuba anymore? Inside here look like in transit lounge?
And it's only for short.
Short while tell.
Take your camera and go in.
Yeah, yes, you want the hall.
How was your ride?
Right. That was not right. Imagine. Tell the damn boy, say, stop and make me peace. The damn boy wouldn't stop and make me peace.
You're trying to bring those bags in for me.
Bring in the bag, boy.
So how are you, Dad?
Yeah, right.
Oh, you looking good though?
What are you renting, boy?
Welcome to the Pegasus Hotel.
How are you? I got me drop it back.
People remember once as an old man to rank.
Rank!
Boy, I don't know this, I don't tell how to him.
You want to come and talk to me?
You know, same piece up in my car.
Tell me the piece.
Him piece up in my car and I would have sleep. I'm a trapper. Hey, tell me something, you. If somebody come in your car and piece up in there, you have a sleep to tell the truth. You man? Hello?
Listen,
You don't?
driver, how much I owe?
Who you talking
You
about?
don't?
What are the damn face?
How much do I owe?
So you deaf? Now what I want up here is a rescue home this.
Damn man, you when the boy come in and call me the fan dog? Eh?
Oh, come on. So the hotel done again. Eh? I will take your picture for